Smile again with All-on-X dental implants. Experience a life-changing solution with All-on-X dental implants. Learn about the procedure, benefits, and why Atlantic Dental Group is your top choice. Discover a confident smile again. All-on-X dental implants are a revolutionary replacement for full upper or lower sets of teeth, offering a fixed, natural-looking alternative to dentures. With just 4 implants acting as artificial tooth roots, they provide a secure base for a complete arch of replacement teeth. Some benefits of it are having a natural appearance, it prevents bone loss, restores eating and speaking functions, and they are comfortable and permanent. The All-on-X dental implants procedure consists in 5 steps. First, the 4 titanium implants are placed in the jawbone, which the angled placement utilizes existing bone. Later on, the temporary teeth are attached immediately. In the procedure, the implants fuse with bone over months, until permanent custom bridge replaces temporary teeth. So, what are you waiting for? Discover the future of dental restoration with All-on-X implants. Getting All-on-X dental implants, your journey. In Atlantic Group, you will start by getting a consultation. Meet with a dental professional to assess your oral health and candidacy for the procedure. X-rays and questions are used to determine suitability. From there, one of our doctors will explain the process at Atlantic Dental Group, ensuring clarity about the upcoming implant procedure. Later on, the implant will be placed. Under sedation or anesthesia, failing teeth are removed. 4 implants are strategically positioned for stability, with a temporary set of teeth attached for immediate use. From there, recovery begins by allowing several months for osseointegration, where implants fuse with the bone. You will have to follow a soft diet and practice proper aftercare. By aftercare, it means to maintain oral hygiene, attend regular dental checkups, and refrain from smoking to support healing. Once integration is complete, return for your permanent, custom bridge fitting. All-on-X dental implant costs. Costs are based on factors like the case complexity, the location of the clinic, the sedation type, the implant and prosthetic materials, and additional procedures. At Atlantic Dental Group, we have affordable options. Options like flexible financing choices, tailored payment plans, and collaboration with insurance providers. Discover all this cost-effective solutions at Atlantic Dental Group and invest in your smile with All-on-X dental implants. Contact us to book an appointment and feel great about your smile again.